Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, replacing if else chains with switch. If you have many options to choose from, a switch statement can be easier to write than many chained if else if statements. The following if val equal to 1 means this if else chain can be replaced with this switch. So let's change it here. So in case of if else, instead of if else switch, and we will pass val here, and for the case we have first is Bob, so let's use that. Second, okay, let's copy paste here. Okay, and in this case 42, so 42, in this case 1, so 1, in this case 99, so let's replace n with 99. In this case 7, so let's replace it with 7, and let's cut. And in case of Bob, cut, and in this case we will have the answer. In this case we have, there is no number 1, and let's cut, and this ones, and for here we have 8 9, and in between this we can use break. So answer, 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 break, 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 and break, and that's finished. So we can remove all this code from here, and it should work now. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.